Press the set button for 5 seconds until you hear a sound of D. Then the factory setting successfully. Press the set button for 1 time. Input the unlock information. Put your finger in the screen for 2 times. You can put the card in here continuously. You can input other information continuously. Now, let's open the door with fingerprint. When the battery of power, you can use the mechanical key to open the door. If you forgot to borrow the key, you can connect blank power to open the door.